Hi students, problem number 9. A point object is placed at 20 cm from a thin plano convex lens of focal length 15 cm, whose plane surface is silvered. Locate the position and the nature of the final image. So, the schematic diagram I have drawn. This is a plano convex lens. So the left side is a convex surface and the right side is a plane surface which is silvered. It is going to act like a plane mirror. Now on the left side, can you see the point object O? So this point object O is to the left side of the lens. Therefore, here the object distance is taken as U1 and this is to the left side of the lens. Therefore, it is minus 20 centimeter. So this is minus 20 centimeter and the focal length of the lens is plus 15 centimeter. So where will the image be formed? By using the lens equation. Okay, by using the lens equation we have to find out where the image is formed. That is the first image that will be formed on the right side. So V1 I have to find out. So using the lens equation, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V1 minus 1 by U1. We need V1. So I will take 1 by V1 on the left hand side. So this is equal to 1 by F plus 1 by U1. Or 1 by V1 is equal to 1 by 15 minus 1 by 20. So this is minus 1 by 20. Or 1 by V1 is equal to, the LCM is 60. So the LCM I will take as 60. 15 fours are, okay, 15 fours are 60 minus 3 20s are, okay, minus the 3 20s are. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So this is now equal to 1 by 60. Therefore V1 is equal to plus 60 centimeter. Plus 60. So the image distance is plus 60. Plus means on the right side. Okay, I will take, so this is the image. So the image is formed here. So that this image distance on the right side is 60 centimeter. That is equal to V1. Okay. This image formed by the lens is going to act like an object. Okay. An object for the plane mirror. So the plane mirror, for this the object distance is at 60 centimeter. So the plane mirror is going to reflect. This image is formed at the first position. So this I1 is going to act like the object for the plane mirror and this distance is 60 centimeter. Is it not? Inside the mirror it is 60 centimeter. So since it is a plane mirror, its image will be formed on the left hand side. Is it not? The image of I1 will be formed on the left hand side of the plane mirror, but inside the glass itself, inside the glass. And once again, the image formed by this mirror, okay, that is I2, I will take I2. That will be still inside glass only. It has not come out. It has not come out to the air. So I1 is the image formed by the plano convex lens, which acts as the object for the plane mirror. And this I1, which is the object for the plane mirror, is reflected and its image is formed. That is I2 is formed within the glass itself at the same distance, 60 centimeter. And that I2 is acting as the object for the plano convex lens to form the final image. Okay. So in the second case, I will take the object distance for this lens, okay, U2 I will take, U2, that is equal to the object, that is object distance U2 is equal to the image distance V1 of the first image, that is equal to plus 60 centimeter. Okay, so this is the object distance for the second time refraction through the lens. So I have taken U2 is equal to V1, that is equal to 60 centimeter, and the focal length of the lens is already given, that is plus 15 centimeter. So using the lens formula once again, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V2 minus 1 by U2. So we have to find out this V2. This V2 is the image distance of the final image which is formed in air itself. Okay, in air. So 1 by V2 minus 1 by U2. Therefore, I will write 1 by V2 is equal to 1 by F plus 1 by U2. So this is now equal to 1 by F is 1 by 15. Okay, 1 by 15. And U2 is 60. So this is plus 1 by 60. Okay. So 1 by V2 is now equal to 4. So LCM is 60. I will take LCM as 60. 15 4s are 60. Okay. Plus 1. So this is equal to 5 by 60. So 1 by V2 is equal to 5 by 60. Or V2 is equal to 60 by 5, and that is equal to 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. So this is the final image which is actually formed on the left side. Okay, here the final image. Okay, final image is formed. So this is I final. Okay, so this is formed at a distance of 12 centimeter. So by sign convention, since it is formed on the left side of the lens, this must be minus 12 centimeter. So by sign convention, V2 is equal to minus 12 centimeter. So left side, okay, on the left side of a plano convex lens. So this is the position of the final image. Understand that? I hope you must all have understood well. Fine.